Number 1, circ 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. 6 is divided by third or third. We can solve this example by write 1 over 6, write multiplication, convert from division to multiplication, write reciprocal about 1 over 3, it will be 3 over 1. And then you can simplify it, 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 6 divided by 3 equal 2, 1 times 1 equal 1, and 1 times 2 equal 2, the result will be 1 over 2. And we have here 1 over 3, half greater than of third. We have half, and here third, then half greater than third. Or you can write the product of extremes, equal product of means, 2 times 1 equal 2, and 3 times 1 equal 3, then 3 greater than 2. Then half will be greater than. Result here will be greater than. Okay, understood? It was question number 1. Question number 2, 24% of 36 or 36% of 24. We know the percent, the ratio between two numbers, and second term is 100. We called it percent. We must comparing between 24% of 36 and 36% of 24. We can write 24 over 100 product by 36. And here 36 over 100 product by 24. They are equivalent, right? Equal to y, because we can replace 36 by 24. You can write 36 product by 24 over 100. It's exactly the result. Okay, then we must write what? Equivalent between two expressions. Next example. The surface area of triangular prism is what? We want to find the area. We have here triangle, and here again a triangle. We can find the area about each one of them and product by 2. Dimensions here, he give us dimension 10 centimeters, the base of triangle, and the altitude here equal 4.8 centimeter. Okay, 4.8. We have triangle, the base was 10 centimeter, and altitude here equal 4.8 centimeter. We can find the area of triangle, write half product by base, product by height. Half product by 10, product by the height here, it will be 4.8. We know 10 times 4.8 will be 48. Move the point right hand side by one place, then half of 48 equal 24 square centimeter. It's the area of triangle, and the area of another triangle here, it will be exactly here 24 centimeter, because two triangles here are congruent. Then the area about triangle in the base equals the area of triangle in the top. Okay, we have 24, and the area of this triangle 24 again. And what about this rectangle here? Dimension about it, we have 6 centimeter, the width, and the length here was 18 centimeter. And another side here, we have another rectangle equivalent it about dimensions. Length was 18 centimeter and the width was 6 centimeter. Then the area of this square rectangle equal length product by width. Write 18 times 6. 6 times 8 equal 48. Write 8 and carry a 4. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 4 equal 10. Then it will be 108 square centimeter. And the area of another rectangle here, it will be exactly the result, 108 square centimeter, because we have two rectangles here. we have two dimension. We have two dimension here. We have 18, and it was 18. It was 8 centimeter and 6 and 8. First area 18 product by 6, and the area of another rectangle in the left side here 18 product by 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. Write 4 and carry up 6. 1 times 8 equal 8 plus 6 equal 14 square centimeter, and then we can find the area of rectangle in the base. In the base here 18 product by the width was 10. 18 product by 10 length times width. Okay, in the base it will be 180 square centimeter. Okay, and then we can find the area of triangular prism by 8 of triangular prism. Right, 24 plus 24, two triangles are congruent, equivalent in the area. Right, 24 in the base and 24 in the up, and 108 the area of rectangle in the right hand side, and the area of rectangle of left hand side was 18 times 8 was 144, and the area of rectangle in the base length times width 18 product by 10, it will be 180, and then we can add them to find the area. We can add them. 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will be what? 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 20. 0 and carry up 2. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 4 equal 18. 8 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 equal 4. The result will be 480 square centimeter is the total area. Okay, again in this example we found the area of triangle in the base was 24 half times the base times the height, and the area of triangle in the top half times the base times the height. Again we have two rectangle here in right hand side and left hand side, and one rectangle in the base, and we have two triangle are congruent. Then the area of another triangle, it will be 24, and the area of rectangle here by right hand side 18 product by 6 length times width, and area of rectangle left hand side 18 product by 8 length times width, and the area of triangle in the base rectangle in the base 18 product by 10 180, and then you can add them to find the area will be 480 square centimeter. Okay, the result about this example choose letter C. Next example, question number 4. 25% of 700, it's meaning 25 product by 700 over 100. Okay, because 25% it's meaning 25 over 100. The percent ratio between two terms, the second term equal 100. Then question number 4, we have 25%, it's mean 25 over 100 product by 700. We can cancel double 0, and 7 times 25, 5 times 7 equals 35, write 5 and carry up 3, 2 times 7 equals 14, 14 plus 3 equals 17, 175 gypsum lira. Next question, number 5. If the ratio of the number of red balls to the number of blue balls 3-4, and the number of red was 24, then the number of blue equal what? We have the ratio between two numbers. The number of balls of red to the number of blue. The ratio was 3-4. 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they give us the number of red was 24. Then we can find the value of each box by write 24 divided by 1, 2, 3, 3 parts, because he give us the number of balls red. The number of red is 24. 24 divided by 3 parts to find the value of each box. 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Then the value of each box was 8, 8, 8, and here 8. Then the number of blue balls will be 8 product by 4 equal 32 blue. 32 blue balls. Okay, understood? The ratio, we know the ratio comparing between two quantities which has the same units. Comparing between two quantities which have the same units. It's the ratio. Question number 6. The height of rhombus, whose area was 100 square centimeter. We have rhombus. He give us the area, and we know area equal base product by height. He give us the area was 100, and the side length here, it's meaning the base. Okay, base was the side length 12.5. He won't find the height. To find the height, you must write 100 the area over 12.5. We must cancel the point by product by 10 numerator and numerator. It will be 1000 over 125. It will be 8 centimeter. The result here, it will be 8 centimeter. Choose letter B. Next example, the ratio between the number of red beans to the number of blue beans to 5. We have ratio between red, question number 7, red and blue. The ratio between them 2 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to 5. 1, 2 here, ratio between them 2 to 5. We have 2 and 5. And the number of red beans was 6. He give us was difference. Okay, we have the difference between them. The difference between them was what? Was 6. Then the number of blue beans subtracted by number of red beans was 6. Then we can find the value of each box. We can write the value of each box. Again, this word more, it means the difference. And give us the number of blue, subtract the number of red was 6. Because number of both, we have the ratio between them 2 and 5. Then we can write 7 subtract by or 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subtract by 2 equal 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, then we can find the value of each box. The value of each box, he give us the difference between them, it will be 6. He tell us in the example, look at here, the number of blue beans is more than the number of red beans by 6. Then the difference between them equals 6. You can write 6 divided by 3. Okay, why? Because the difference between 5 and 2 is the ratio. 5 minus 2 equal 3, then 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then the number of red balls, it will 2 plus 2, it will be 4. And the number of blue beans, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 product by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 10. Then we have red beans, number of red beans will 4 beans. Number of blue beans, it will be 10 beans. Then the sum of them, it will be 4 plus 10, it will be 40. We have 40. Then the result will be letter D about this example. Okay, I will solve this example by another method, or you can solve this question by another method. They give us the ratio between two numbers of blue and red. He give us the ratio number of red to blue. The ratio between them was 2 and 5, and he give us the more, meaning the difference. 5 minus 2, it will be 3, and the difference between the number of them, it will be what? It will be 6. We can put here x and here y. X here refers to the number, x refers to the number of red. We can use the product of streams equal product by means. The product of streams equal product of means. Write 6 times 2 divided by 3. Then the result here, it will be 2 times 6, 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Then y, number of blue, here y, cancel this, write 6 times 5 divided by 3. 6 times 5 divided by 3, it will be 10. Then the sum of them, it will be 10 plus 4 equal 14. Okay, you can solve by this method or last method, as you like. We have 14 beans. We have two solutions about this example, as you like. Okay, next question, number 1. We have 2.32 divided by 0.4 equal space divided by 4. He product by 10 the divisor, because the divisor here decimal, we must convert from decimal to whole number by product by 10 the dividend and divisor. Move the point right hand side by one place, then the number here will be 23.2. Right, 23 and 2 tenses. Question number 2. The volume of cuboid equal length product by width product by height. Write 12.2 product by 15 and 1 tenses product by 10. Product by 10 here, it will be 12.2 product by here 151. Move the point right hand side by one place, and then you can find the product between them to find the area in the base, length times width. Okay, you can find the volume, length times width times height, product between all numbers. The result will be what? 1000. Result will be 1842 and 2 tenths cubic centimeter. The unit rate from the opposite number line is space. Look at here about this number line. You want to find the unit rate. We can write 130 divided by 5 to find the result, comparing between kilogram and days. And we know the unit rate comparing between two quantities, two different quantities. The second term equal 1. Then we can write 130 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5 equal 2, and the remainder 3. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then the unit rate will be equal 26 kilogram per day. That's the result, okay? 26 kilogram per day. Next question, 120 kilometer per hour convert to meter per minute. Okay, this question we have 120 kilometer per hour. We want to convert it to meter per minute. First step, we must cancel kilometer. To cancel kilometer, write kilometer in denominator and write meter up. And we know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. And then to cancel hour, write hour up and down minute. 1 hour equal 3000, or 1 hour equal 60 minutes, but 1 hour equal 3600 seconds. You want to convert from hour to minute. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And then we can cancel, or you can select it right here. Cancel kilometer by kilometer. I cancel hour by hour, and then product here, write meter here and down minutes. 120 product by 1000 over 60. You can cancel 0 by 0, and 12 divided by 6 equal 2. 2 times 1000 equal 2000, right? 2000, the result will be 2000 meter per minute. Okay, 1000 right here, result will be 2000 meter per minute. The result will be 2000. Okay, write 2000. Next example, question number 5. The area of the opposite trapezium equal what? Look at this trapezium. We have base and height. The base was 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3 units, okay. And the dimension here we have 2, and here we have 2. Then we can find the area about first and second and third. Area 1, half product by base. Area of this triangle, half times base times height. The height was 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 units here. Half times 2 times 4, it will be 4 square units. And the area about 2, this area 2 triangle, half times base times height, it will be 4 square units. 4 square units, and here 4 square units. They are congruent, 2 triangle congruent here. Then area 3, it was rectangle, length times width, 4 product by 3 equal 12 square units. Then we can find the area, write 4 plus 4 plus 12. 4 plus 4 equal 8. 8 plus 12 equal 20. 20 square units. In the area about this trapezium equal 20. Or you can solve this example by another method. Area equal half product the sum of two bases. We have here 3 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 7, and here 3, sum of two bases product by the height was 4. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. 20 square units. You can solve by this method or this method as you like. Okay. Next example, area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram equal base times height. Question number 7. 25% divided by fourth equal space percent. 25% divided by fourth. Divided by fourth, it's meaning itself, because fourth is here equal 25%. The fourth, 25%. If we divided them, the result will be 1, and 1 equal will be 100%. Write 100 here in the space. Question number 8. The point 4 and 8 located space up from x-axis. We have about x-axis. We have the point here 4 and 8. It will be up 8 units about x-axis. It's x-axis. He asked about this point up x-axis by 4 units, by 8 units. The result will be 8, right? 8 units. Okay, the result will be 8. 8 up from x-axis. Write 8 in this example. Question number 3, the opposite, from the opposite here, we want to find a plus b. We have 4 over 9 and 36 over a and p over 36. 4 product by 9 equals 36, then 9 by 9 equal 81, then the value of a equal 81. And to find the value of b, 9 product by 4 equals 36, then 4 product by 4 equals 16. Then the value of b equals 16. So e plus b, write 81 plus 16. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 8 plus 1 equals 9. The result will be 97. It's the result about e plus b. Question number 2 is the area of triangle half times base times height. Choose letter P. Base divided by 2 product by height. Question number 3, the point plotted on y-axis. Any point located here or plotted on y-axis, then we will have 0 and y. X-axis will be 0. Then we must choose what? 0 and negative 2 here. This point located in y-axis. He wants to find the point where located in y-axis. The point located y-axis, it's meaning x will be 0. X will be 0. Then we must choose 0 and negative 2. 0 and negative 2. Here, this place. Choose letter C. Okay, choose letter C about question number 3. Question number 4. Which of the following is conversation factor? Conversation factor, it's meaning comparing between two quality amounts by using different units, such that 1 week equals 7 days. 1 week equal what? 7 days. Choose letter C. We call it conversation factor, comparing between two equality amount by using different units. Choose letter C about question number 4. Question number 5, surface area of cube, length of cube. Okay, we have a cube here, 6 faces, then the area equals 6 product by side, 6 product. The side here was 3.2, product by 3.2, product by 3.2. The result will be what? It will be 61 and 4400th cubic square meter square meter. The area, it will be 61 and 44 square meter. Choose letter A. Next example, question number 6. He give us this information. 111 product by 23 equal 2553. Then 1.11 product by 2.3. We can write this number, and the point will be after 1 place and 2 places, 3 places here. Put the point after 3 places. Question number 6. Choose letter C. Question number 7. Which of the following is compressions is showing the ratio? It was question number 7. Question number 7, it asked about comparisons, the ratio such that 4 out of 13 students like drama. 4 out of 13 students like drama. Letter B, fewer students like drama, no. 5 more, no. Students ratio, more, no. But 4 out of 13 students like drama, the ratio. Choose letter A about question number 7. Next example, question number 4. Letter E. Two machines produce clothes. The first one produces 365 meters in 5 hours, and second produces 480 meters in 6 hours. Which machine is the better? We can find the rate of first. Give us this machine 365 meters in 5 hours. 36 divided by 5 equals 7, and remainder 1. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Then the result will be 53 meters per 1 hour. And the rate of second, we can write 480 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 equals 8, and write 0. Write 80 meters per hour. Then the second is the best or the better. The second is the better. Second here is the better. Second machine is the better or is better. Question letter B. Number 1, we have x over 8 equal 10 over 20. 10 over 20 is meaning half. Then x will be 4. Because 10 half of 20, then 4 half of 8. Question number 2, we have x plus 1 over 10 equals 30%. Then x plus 1 over 10 equals 30%. It's meaning 30 over 100. You can simplify it, cancel 0 by 0. Then 3 over 10 equivalent x plus 1 over 10. We have 10 equal 10. Then x plus 1 equal 3. Because denominator equal denominator, then numerator equal numerator. Then the value of x here equal 2, because 2 plus 1 equal 3. Next example, we want to find surface area of the opposite. Surface area of cuboid, we write 2, product length product by width, and here length product by height, and here where product by height, 2 product by. The length was 10, product by width was 3, and the length was 10, product by height, height here was 4, plus width times height. Width here was 3, and the height was 4. 2 product by 10 plus times 3 equals 30, and here 40, and here 12. Write 2 plus 0 equal 2, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 equal 8, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 8 equals 16. The result will be 164 square centimeter to find surface area. Okay, next example, plot the point, the graphical. First point, we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. First point 3 and 4, 3 and 4 here, it's point E, and second B 1 and 1, and third C 0 and 4 here, it's point C. Then I will join 3 points here and join them in order the image reflection across y-axis. We can find the point A and A dash, and B and C, B dash and C dash. to find the image about the point here, reflection across y-axis, we must put y and change the sign of x. We have the point A was 3 and 4. Then we want to find about y dash reflection, about y dash, put y here and change the sign of x. And the second point, we have 1 and 1, put y here and change the sign of x. Put C 0 and 4, put y here and change the sign here 0. Then we have negative 3, we have negative 1 here, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. First point here, it will be negative 3 and 4, negative 3 and 4 here, it's point E dash, and the point B dash, negative 1 and 1, negative 1 and 1, towards B dash, C dash 0 and 4, 0 and 4 here. Then we will draw this triangle. We have the image about triangle. We have two triangle here, congruent, equal in the area, and the image of y-axis here. Okay, again, the rule here of the image, we must change the sign of x-axis. The rule here, x and y. If we want to find the reflection about this point about y-axis, we must change the sign of x and write y here. Then the result will be negative x and y.